President Rodrigo Duterte is considering a meeting with former presidents to discuss issues surrounding the West Philippine Sea instead of convening the National Security Council. Former President Noynoy Aquino will not attend the meeting. Politiko source said Aquino will send his regrets in case he receives an invitation. Aquino has never attended any of Duterte's sauna or State of the Nation address. Duterte has blamed Aquino for the loss of the Scarborough Shoal to the Chinese. Duterte has repeatedly pressed Aquino's former Foreign Affairs Secretary Albert Del Rosario and former Philippine Ambassador to the United States Jose Quisha to explain why they allowed Philippine ships to leave the shoal during a tense standoff with China in 2012.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.